Okay, ladies and gentlemen, do a walk around video on this 2005 Kenworth W9. Really nice heavy duty truck here. It was an owner operator truck. The gentleman owned a construction company, a small construction company. He's getting out of the business. That's why he's selling his truck right here. He got a little dump trailer he's selling with it. The truck does crank, does run, does drive, do what it's supposed to do. It's got a big C15 cat in there. It's showing 359. The meter reads 359,000 miles. It's got knee-deep rubber on the front. It's got knee-deep rubber on the back. Rubber looks really good on this truck here. It's got closed shoulder grips on the back here. It's got front steers. Walk around, you go see the truck looks to be in really good condition. It shows a RECON title, but the truck was bought in 2010 by the owner that has it now, and it was not wrecked when he bought it. So he's been running this truck for the last 12 years. I said trucks seem to do what it's supposed to do. He just get out in the business. You see it's got a lot of aluminum on the backside, headache rack, aluminum tank for your external remote hydraulic. It's got the married wet kit. Got a lot of stuff going with this truck. Aluminum wheel rails all the way around it. All the time we're always going to find this 2005 W9 Kenworth truck coming Southwest Louisiana. All the time about. Thank you.